Hi everyone, welcome to the Amara Viva YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how to upload a doc and a YouTube video into your Google Slide. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into the correct Google account. You'll know that because you have an icon there that tells you which account you're in. If you don't know how to make an icon, go ahead and check out one of my other videos. I do teach you how to do that. So I am on the right account. I'm going to go ahead and click on my apps. I like to call it my waffle. And then I'm going to find the slides. I go ahead and I click on there. And then I'm going to create a new slide. You always want to title your presentation. And then you always want to put it where you want it to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on a new folder. And then I'm going to click that check mark. And then I'm going to click the Move Here option. After that, I'm going to click into my slide. And let's say that the first thing I want to do is I want to have it to be linked to a Google Doc. Okay, so you're going to choose which doc you want. So for example, let's say that I'm going to link this to a welcome letter. I can go ahead and highlight that, go to Insert, and go to Link. I would paste it right in there if I knew the link. And as you can see, it does pop up some samples. In case you weren't ready for it, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I opened up the right Google account. I made sure that it's blue. That tells me it's a Google Doc. I can tell right here it's not being shared with anyone. So I go ahead and click on there. And then I'm going to change this to anyone with the link can view it. Now, if I want them to be able to make changes, then I'll go ahead and give them editing rights. Or if I want them to be able to comment on them, then I would change it to there. For now, I'm just going to leave it as viewer. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. Then I'm going to go back into my slideshow. Now that I have that link ready, I'm going to select the text that I want. I'm going to go to the Insert button, and I'm going to click on Link. I'm going to go ahead and paste that link in there and click Apply. Okay, perfect. So now you know how to insert a link, and that link can be from anywhere. It doesn't have to be simply a Google Doc. You can insert it from anything that has a URL. So now if I want to put in a video, there's numerous ways to do it, but I'm going to just choose a few different ways to show you. So I'm going to click Video. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to find the video. And there's a specific video that I'm looking for, so I'm going to go to By URL. I'm going to find the video, and this happens to just be the video to teach you how to change your Google icon. I'm going to copy it by clicking Command-C. If you're on a PC, you'll click Control-C. And then I'm going to paste that right in there by clicking Command-V, Vechica. Or I'm going to click Control-V. Okay, then I'm going to click Select. Now you can see some options are going to pop up on the right-hand side. It covered my whole screen. So I'm just going to move it. I can drag and drop it. I can place it anywhere that I'd like. And you can see over here on the right-hand side, you have different options. So you can start it at a specific time or end it at a specific time. You can have it play on the click, play automatically, or play manually. And then I think down here you can choose to mute your audio. And then if you want to get technical with your size and rotation, you can do that to specifically format it exactly how you want. With these, you can just simply select them. And once they pop up like this with all of the little boxes, then you can move it around exactly how you want. You can go up to File, and you can change, you can go to Background right here. And you can choose an image, or you can change the color. You can set your theme. Those are all into, I have a video that breaks down Google Slides much slower, but this was specifically asked how to put in a doc and how to put in a video. There's one more thing I'm going to show you while you're here. You could also highlight that and go to Insert go to link, and then you could paste that video in there as well. So if you wanted to be video looking like this, or if you wanted to look like the actual video, you can also put in an image. So you can go to insert and go to image, and we'll just do a quick search the web. And I'm just going to type in dog, and we'll choose this one, and then go to insert. And let's say that I wanted this picture to link to a video. So I could put like a picture of a Google image here, let's say, and then I wanted that to link how to make a Google icon. So then I would go to insert, video. I'm going to paste that right in there. I'm going to select it. I lied. Let's see, let's try it again. I'm going to go to insert, link, paste that link, click apply. So now that link to the video is attached to an image. Once again, you just go to insert and then go to link if you want it to link. And you can link that to words or to pictures. And then if you want to just straight put in the video, you can go here. And of course, you have your audio option there. There's one more thing I want to teach you. Let's say that you want to put in a form because you want the students to fill out a form, or you want somebody to fill out a form for a feedback. So I'm going to type in feedback there. I'm going to go to my drive and I'm going to find a form that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that form. I'm going to come over here to that send button, and I'm going to get the link for that form by clicking on the icon for a URL for a link. I'm going to shorten that just because it's easier, and then I'm going to copy it by clicking that copy button or Command C or Control C. Then I'm going to go back to my slides. I can select it, go to insert, go to link, and I can paste it right there. So now whenever they're watching this slideshow or they have it at home, they can click right on there to be able to go right into that forms. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Amara vida, love eternally. All right, like and follow.